Today is going to be a whole lot of fun. I've been looking for the inspiration to transform the C8 Corvette, and I think we've got it today, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome to this episode of Keys Cars. Key here, and on this channel, we're about two things: cars and Photoshop. I follow a lot of really cool Photoshop gurus. One of those guys being Benny Productions. He's got a huge YouTube channel, and he runs a monthly contest. This month, I'm participating in the contest. We're creating a poster, and I am going with the theme of Racer X from Speed Racer. Now, this is perfect because Racer X needs a car. And when I was looking at the shooting star, the number 9 shooting star, the lines it screamed C8 Corvette to me. So we're going to transform this Corvette. And while we do that, let's talk about the backstory. Let's set up what we're going to do for this poster. Because Racer X is Speed Racer's older brother. And just his start in racing was it was kind of messed up.
Rex, are you all right?
I'm okay, Pops. I did such a great job of driving, I deserve to win the race.
Don't try to tell me that. You deserve to lose the race because your driving technique was very bad.
Emotional damage.
Like, bruh, that is cold, Pops. But it gave him the motivation to go and turn it all around and become really another hero in this storyline. So I really like the way this car is looking. The C8, it was the perfect starting place for the shooting star. And at this point, guys, I think I've done enough talking. Let's get into creating the rest of this artwork. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's key the C8 Corvette and turn it into some great poster artwork.